Today's video is sponsored by SimpliSafe. So welcome back everyone, Mike here. I hope everything's going great in your world. Around here things are going pretty good. The old Bronco beard coming in nicely. Still no word on the new Ford Bronco. At this point, I think it may be some type of psychological test or something to see how long they can go without telling people anything. That may be the case. I have no idea, but I'm not going to let them win on that. But this morning, I took care of a bunch of little things. I managed to cut the grass even though it rained there right around daylight. We needed the rain though. It's been pretty dry here the last couple of days, but it is the middle of August, so it gets like that. But next on the agenda, I need to run down to my mom's place to take care of a few things down there. right, I'm down here on my mom's driveway. We're about to get a real gully washer here. Is that what you call real heavy rain? That's what we call it, a gully washer. But there were two places on the driveway here that the water had gotten out of the ditch and kind of screwed things up a little bit. So before it poured again, I wanted to just touch that up real quick. Now I'm just kind of rolling it in some, and it should be pretty good. But this driveway has actually held up pretty well this year. I mentioned before, this is all down at the bottom. You know, we live way up on that hill up there, probably, I don't know, half-mile away or something up there on top of the hill, and everything just kind of feeds down here in the bottom. Right on the other side of the driveway down there, there's a little stream, and that's the stream there that comes from the pond, which is way up the driveway about, I don't know, a quarter mile up that way towards my sister's place. So everything always heads towards the bottom.
Oh, well, Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern.
So I mentioned earlier that today's video was sponsored by SimpliSafe, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. They've been a great partner to our channel, and they make a fantastic product. When it comes to sponsored videos, we do 2 a month. On a rare occasion, we may do 3 sponsored videos, and we're very particular about who we work with, and SimpliSafe is one of those companies that made that cut. We use it all the time. The system works great. For example, I was just down below by the Sawmill. Melissa just got back from the post office, and she had taken Hunter and grandson Ty, and the alarm wasn't set. So I'm down there. I simply pull out my phone. I can arm the system, and it works flawlessly. Installation was a breeze. I've mentioned it numerous times before. I am by no means a techie person, am I, Melissa?
No, I think when we were younger we thought we were. But... Yeah,
but I'm not so techie anymore. But I had the entire system up and running in a single evening, and it has been glitch-free for over 2 years, and it works flawlessly. But it's a great product, great company. If you'd want more information, there will be a link in the description that you can check out.
Take 20% off your SimpliSafe security system, and your first month is free when you sign up for the interactive monitoring service. Visit simplisafe.com/Morgans to learn more.
What do you got going on?
Good. I just got back from the post office. I had to go back out and get the box. I sent out thank you cards for license plates. So another couple hundred went out, and yeah, we appreciate that.
Yeah, if you don't know what we're talking about, we're collecting license plates to put in the game room of the new building. We have a lot of plans for that. It was Eva's idea originally.
She wanted a few to hang in her room.
Yeah, and we have over 500 now.
Oh yeah, it's been great. I just finished writing all the thank you cards for April. So I'm now writing all the thank you cards for the ones that came in May.
She sends thank you cards with stickers and all that to anyone that sends in a license plate. So it's pretty cool. We got them. We have them from every state except for the District of Columbia, right?
And Kansas.
And Kansas.
And North Dakota.
Kansas, North Dakota,
what happened?
And District of Columbia.
Oh, and Delaware.
And Delaware. So.
Yeah.
But anyway, if you want to send one in, you can send them to Outdoors with the Morgans, P.O. Box 2140, Cranberry Township, PA 16066. Is that right?
That's right.
You gonna go get started on more thank you cards?
Yeah. Do you think it's gonna rain? If it doesn't rain,
it's thundering again. I don't know.
Grandson Ty and I are gonna go to the local farm show. So.
Oh boy.
But I didn't want to get there and it'd be a muddy mess and rainy.
All right, I'm back up at the house here, and man, did we have quite the storm here. I think it's finally over for now, at least. So I'm in here working inside the building. If you saw that last video, you know I had a little mix-up there, a mistake, and I had to pull all these panels out of here. And I'm just about on grade everywhere. I got to get some more out of this corner over here and a little bit over there, but I'm real close to grade. And now I'm bringing in this limestone sand right here, and I started setting panels again. So I'm hoping to get a lot of this done this evening. We'll see how much we get done. But things are actually moving along a lot faster this time than they were last time, which is a good thing. Now, in that last video, I don't want to go over the whole thing again, but I was telling everyone what my mistake was. I was using that double door over there as my reference point. You know, that was my finished grade over there. Turns out this man door right here is an inch lower than that door over there. The bottom of that door is an inch lower. And what was going to happen was I wasn't going to get my 6 inches of concrete over here on this side of the building. And this side here, I want it pretty thick, you know, because I'm going to have the excavator in here. And this area over here is just going to be like a shop. Probably eventually kind of turn into a woodworking shop. But for now, you know, I'll keep the side-by-side, the log splitter, all the stuff inside here. So that's why I wanted 6 inches of concrete here. So what I did, I cut about an inch out of here, 2 inches out of here, put a little bit of this limestone sand in here, and I'm resetting the panels. So back to that last video when I was explaining, you know, what I did wrong and what I was doing to fix it. There must have been, I don't even know, 75 comments saying why I don't just raise this door up an inch and everything would be good. I replied to some of them, but there's so many of them, and I don't think everyone reads all the other comments. So I'll explain why now. There's actually 2 reasons that won't work. Number one is this concrete right here is already poured. If I'd raise this door up, you know, I'd have to have a little ramp or something. It just wouldn't look right. It'd be kind of all jacked up. But the biggest reason is these garage doors right here. You know, say this is my finished grade of concrete right here. There's going to be an 1.5 inch step down to here. That keeps the rainwater from washing in. And had I not fixed this, I just wouldn't have had my thickness of concrete that I wanted here. It just wouldn't have worked out. So I hope that kind of explains what I'm doing and why I'm doing it this way. Bottom line is I want to make sure I have 6 inches of concrete on this side of the building, and that's what I'm going to end up with. And I won't have to mess with the garage doors or the man door or anything else. So I think it'll work out just fine. And don't worry, although I'm not a professional, I am a weekend warrior. But anyway, I want to thank SimpliSafe for sponsoring today's video. And like I said earlier, check out the link in the description if you want more information. And like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, share them with your friends. Thanks.